Amana's F09 error code indicates outdoor coil freeze detection. This means the system has detected ice or frost buildup on the outdoor coil of your heat pump or air conditioner. This is a common issue, especially in colder climates, and triggers a system shutdown to prevent compressor damage and inefficiency. The outdoor coil, acting as a condenser in cooling or evaporator in heating, transfers heat. Sensors monitor coil temperature, and if it drops too low, around 30 degrees Fahrenheit or -1 degree Celsius, indicating icing, the system shuts down. Common symptoms include reduced heating cooling output and unusual noises. Ignoring this error can lead to costly repairs or system failure. Troubleshooting F09 begins with the system entering a 5-minute lockout mode. This allows time for the freeze issue to resolve itself before further action is needed. If the lockout doesn't resolve the issue, check these common causes of the F09 error. Refrigerant issues, such as leaks or low levels, are among the most common causes of F09 errors. Always have a certified professional inspect and recharge the system, as handling refrigerants requires EPA compliance. Airflow problems from dirty coils, blocked vents, or faulty fans can restrict air movement around the outdoor coil, leading to freeze-up. Clean the coils regularly and verify airflow is between 400 to 500 CFM. Malfunctions in the defrost system, such as faulty timers or reversing valves, prevent the unit from entering defrost mode when needed. Test these components and replace them if they're not functioning correctly. Newer Amana models include AI-driven monitoring through apps such as Goodman Connect. These systems can proactively alert you to potential freeze risks based on usage patterns and weather data. Regular preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding F09 errors. Schedule annual inspections and clean the coils regularly to keep your system running efficiently and extend its lifespan.